Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Paperless Employee account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, go to your default browser and search Paperless Employee Login. After you make search, you'll see Paperless Employee on the top of your search list. Just click that. Now, as you can see, you are already redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your user ID and your password. In case you forget your user ID or password, you can click here. If not, then just log in and enjoy using Paperless as an employee. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.